Hello everyone, and welcome to a flavor-filled episode of Earth to Rocco. Today we're going to be making some delicious oat bars that are high in fiber, rich in iron, and a great on-the-go snack. These bars are a great way to satisfy your hunger and pack in a ton of nutrients. Will make you poop your brains out. Let's get on board the oat boat and blend away. Right now I have the oven preheating at 325 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm starting with 1/3 cup of pitted medjool dates. We're gonna turn these into a paste which is gonna act as a binder for our oat bars. Dates are also a great replacement for sugar in a lot of baking recipes. They have a lot of fiber and antioxidants, and they're also a great anti-inflammatory. Dates can promote heart health and are good for maintaining healthy bones. To make our paste, we're gonna put our dates in a blender. I have 1 cup of plant-based milk measured out, and I'm going to use half of it for now. We're going to blend it on high speed until a smooth paste forms. Now we can add the rest of the milk. I'm using 1/3 cup of maple syrup, which is also going to sweeten our oat bars, and it's going to add a buttery caramelized flavor. I'm going to put in half a cup of peanut butter, which is going to pack in some vitamin E, B6, magnesium, and iron. Also, who doesn't love peanut butter? And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's blend this up until it's smooth. Now I'm going to transfer the mixture into a large mixing bowl. This on its own tastes really good. So now I'm going to add in 2 cups of steel-cut oats. I'm going to add in some dried cranberries for some extra chew and a fruity flavor. You can put in any kind of mix-in that you want, like chocolate chips, nuts, or seeds. Now we're just gonna fold everything together with a spatula. Here I have a 9-inch square baking pan that I lined with some parchment paper. I'm gonna pour the mixture into the pan. Now just spread out the mixture evenly. It's easier to use a spoon for this. Make sure to press it in to avoid any air gaps. Our mixture is now flattened, but I'm going to press in some extra cranberries on top. Now we can go ahead and bake it. Bake it in the oven for 45 minutes. So it's finished cooking in the oven, and I let it sit in the pan for about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to transfer it onto a cooling rack. We're going to let it cool for about 15 minutes before we cut it into bars. So now it's cooled for about 15 minutes, and we're going to move it onto the cutting board. I'm going to cut it into 12 even-sized bars. Don't these look like the perfect little treat? It's time to eat! Let's taste. That's so good. The flavor of the peanut butter mixed with the cranberries and the oats, what a beautiful thing. Thank you for joining me and making this deliciously healthy vegan snack. If you want to see more recipes like this, head on over to earthtorocco.com. And if you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest ones. Have an oat-tastic day.